What's up guys? Welcome back to my channel! Para sa mga hindi pa nakakilala sa akin, ako po si Alec, isang simpleng mamamayan ng bansang Pilipinas! Kung bago pa lang kayo sa channel ko, please do not forget to subscribe to my channel, Alektish Official. Click on the notification bell para lagi kayong updated pag may mga bagong videos tayo na i-upload. And guys, for today's video, I'd like to let you know that I've already received my Visa Maya card and I'd like to share it with you. So ito po siya. Ta-da! Tingnan nyo naman. You've been expecting me. Diba? Very assuming. But na-excite ako i-open siya. So, are you excited? Same here. What are you waiting for? Let's get this party started! Welcome back guys. So as promised, since I've already received my Visa Maya card, please join me in unwrapping it. I'll also show you how to activate the card and I'm gonna go answer some questions for you. So let's get this done, shall we? So guys, there you go. If you saw my previous video, I got this card for free because I was eligible for the amount of deposit from my Maya savings account. However, just to clarify, this Maya card is a debit card. This is not a credit card. And this card is linked to your Maya wallet, not from your Maya savings. So if ever your Maya wallet has no sufficient funds, but your savings does, you have to transfer from your savings going to your wallet and then use the card if need be. Now, before you could use the card, of course, you first need to link or activate your card from the app. And here's how. Upon logging into the app, click on Cards and then select Activate a Maya card. At this screen, you just have to enter your card details and nominate a 6-digit PIN and just click on Link Card. And there you have it guys. By the way, I'm really sorry ngayon ko lang kayo na-update. Hindi ko naman kasi alam na magte-trending yung video ko. And I've just been very busy recently. And please, hayaan nyo ako makabawi. Now, let's answer some questions from some of our viewers. So here's a question from Clikes G. Gaano katagal bago dumating, ma'am? Na-receive ko yung card 5 days after kong mag-request. Since my address is outside Metro Manila, The normal time frame that they provided was 7 to 10 business days. However, na-receive ko lang siya in 5 calendar days. So, very surprising. Next question is from Bo Chalk and Vela Fort. Actually, they are having problems regarding the code in claiming the Maya card. Now, if you are having issues in receiving the codes, or the code was not being accepted, or it's not validated, I would highly recommend you to contact their customer service, because it's actually out of my expertise. You could actually reach their customer service team by sending them an email to support@maya.ph and send your inquiries there. Or you may also contact them to their hotline. By the way, guys, I'm not really sure if you've noticed, because from 6% per annum na interest rate ng Maya savings natin, it went down to 4.5% per annum. However, there's a catch. The interest rate is already added on a daily basis. You could see there the interest that was added minus a 20% tax from that interest. Now, there is still a chance that you could take advantage of the 6% per annum interest rate sa ating Maya savings. You just have to complete the challenges given by Maya. Pag nagawa nyo yun, magiging 6% ulit ang interest rate ng savings account natin in the next 30 days. Okay, please take note, it's for the next 30 days only. After that, babalik na naman siya sa 4.5% per annum. Now, I'm not really sure if this is an ongoing challenge of Maya, but tingnan natin kung anong magiging decision nila as time goes by. And there you have it, guys. I hope I answered some of your questions about the Maya card. I really hope you find this video helpful. So guys, if you do have any comments, suggestions, or any questions about this video, please do not hesitate to comment down below. I'll do my best to read and answer all your comments. Also, please do not forget to like, share, and subscribe to my channel, Alektish Official. Tick on the notification bell para lagi kayong updated pag may mga bagong videos tayo na i-upload. And guys, thank you so much for always watching and supporting my videos. You take care and God bless. See you on my next video.